Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Promises are like snowballs, easy to make but hard to keep. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, part 4. We are given product of two numbers. Let it be equal to x. Taking log on both sides, we have log of x equal to log of product of two numbers. Then use law of logarithms for log of ab, which is equal to log of a plus log of b. Same is used here. Log of x is equal to log of first number plus log of second number. Then first number is converted into exponential form, as well as the second one. Exponent is written before log using laws of logarithms. First of all, we are required to find log of 2.709. Log of 2.709. Consider decimal point is on reference position. Reference position is a place after first non-zero digit, and decimal point is on reference position. So characteristics is 0. Mantissa 27 in the column of 0, 4314, then in the column of 9 it is 14. 4314 plus 14 equal to 4328. So log of 2.709 equal to characteristics first, then after decimal point the mantissa is written. Plug in the value. For log of 2.709 it is 0.4328. Again for the next log, which is 1.239, decimal point is on the reference position, means after first non-zero digit, so characteristics is 0. Consider 12 in the column of 3, 12 in the column of 3. Here is something different given up to value 19. Some values are written at higher level and others are at lower level. When we consider a value from this higher level, then in difference table we will consider the value at higher level. And if it were 5 or more, we would consider the value from this row for the difference table. Now here we consider first value 12 in the column of 3, then in the column of 9, 12 in the column of 3, then in the column of 9. It becomes 0899 plus 32. 0899 plus 32, which makes it 0931. So log of 1.239 becomes 0.0931. This 0 is of characteristics and rest is the mantissa. So we get log x equal to 1 by 5 0.4328 plus 1 by 7 0.0931. Simplifying this and this number by this and this, we get log of x equal to 0.0866 plus 0.0133. By adding the two, we get log of x equal to 0.0999. Then we take antilog of both the sides to have antilog of log x equal to antilog of 0.0999. Here in antilog, log and antilog cancels each other, and we get x in the next step equal to antilog of 0.0999. Finding antilog, we use antilog table, but before that, the value which is before decimal point is characteristics in antilog. This is converse of this one. As we used in finding log of 2.709, decimal point is on reference position. That's why we considered the value 0 as characteristics, and it was put before the decimal point. Here the same thing is considered in the converse. What is before decimal point is characteristics in the antilog. 0 is characteristics in the antilogarithm. Then in antilog table we find out 0.09 in 9 and then again in 9. 0.09 in 9 here and then again in 9. We are having 1256 plus 3. Antilog of this characteristics is 0, the quantity before decimal point. In antilogarithm is the characteristics. Mantissa 1256 is clear in the view, plus 3 makes it 1259. So this is the value. Actually these figures are the answer, but we will use characteristics to place the decimal point in mantissa of antilogarithm. Now consider the same figures 1, 2, 5, 9. This is reference position. This is reference position. Characteristics is 0, so we will place the decimal point here. If it were 1, we would consider the decimal point here. If it were 2, we would consider the decimal point here. As it is 0, so decimal point will be placed on reference position, and this is the answer. Using calculator, find out 5th root of 2.709 and multiply it 7th root of 1.239. When product is found, the answer must be 1.259, and this is the way to check the answer using calculator. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.